Hi everyone and welcome to Thai Native Gems. This is Tarun Gupta and today we are actually going to discuss how much a 4 to 5 carat Sri Lankan Royal Blue Sapphire costs. Two of these stones are actually heated while one is unheated, so we could even compare an unheated versus a heated stone. And they all have the same color range, similar carat weight between 4 to 5 carats. So I actually thought, why not share it to you guys? Because I actually had to show this to a client. So why not just share the price and how much a nice GRS certified Sri Lankan sapphire costs. So okay, let's just start. On the left right here, the first one is actually the unheated 4.06 carat vivid royal blue sapphire from Sri Lanka. This stone costs $8,000 per carat, or the total price around $32,000, 480. The second stone right here, the middle one, is a 4.14 carat, again GR certified, heated royal blue sapphire from Sri Lanka as well. This stone, because it's heated instead of unheated, price drops from $8,000 down to $3,500 per carat, or total price of $14,490. This last one right here is a 5.12 carat GR certified heated royal blue sapphire as well from Sri Lanka. If you compare the two, between the 5.12 and the 4.14, you will see they actually look face up similar in dimensions, but one is 1 carat more because there's more depth in the second than the third stone. This stone also costs the same as that 4 carat one, $3,500 per carat, or a total price of $17,920. These stones, I actually thought it was a great comparison because they're actually vivid royal blue in my eyes, not what sometimes GRS will classify as royal blue, because I have seen GRS certified royal blues which are super dark and almost black. But in my eyes, these three stones fit that royal blue in my definition as well. Also, if you see the crystal and clarity, they have no milky inclusion, they're not cloudy, they're fully transparent, beautiful fire and luster, and that shows the clarity and cut of these stones. And finally, origin, they're all Sri Lankan, which is considered one of the most premium mines out there for blue sapphires. And treatment, the one in the left is unheated while the other two are heated, and that is the reason why that one is $8,000 per carat, while these two are $3,500 per carat. Okay, so now let me just show you these three stones under the microscope. I'm sure you guys are interested to see what's the difference between an unheated stone and a heated stone, and what type of inclusions they have. So let's just look at them under the microscope. Okay, so the first microscope video we're looking at right here is the unheated 4.06 carat stone. The first thing you'll notice immediately right in the middle are these straight lines. These are actually intact rutile silk. Wow, they're quite beautiful. Okay, you can see they're complete straight lines and 60-degree angles. And I'm gonna try to zoom in a little more here for you guys to take a look. So this actually proves immediately that the stone is unheated, because if these were dotted and not well-defined lines, as you can see on the video here, I'm gonna actually show an image of this as well. You could see that these are how intact rutile silks look. Okay, so now let me focus on the right side of the stone, because there are other inclusions which prove that this stone is unheated. These are minerals and needles. I'm zooming in a little more, and to see how well defined these are. Again, let me zoom in more. Okay, so you can see they're well defined, they've not been altered, and I'm going to show you an image of this as well. So they have two evidence in the stone which proves that it's unheated. First is those intact rutile silks, and the second is these intact mineral inclusions and needles. So okay, let's look at the next microscope video. Okay, so the next microscope video I'm showing you guys here is the 4.14 carat heated stone. You will notice on the middle and the left side, while I'm zooming in here, are cloudy inclusion. Sorry in not being 100% clear. I'm also actually going to show this in an image which I've taken, so you guys can have an idea what I'm talking about. So this is actually reabsorbed rutile needles, which are not well defined. When you compare this to an unheated stone, which I showed to you earlier, you'll notice you cannot see any clear lines. So this proves that these rutile 6 needles have been reabsorbed. Okay, so now I'm zooming in these crystals in the bottom to see if we can find any other evidence of heat treatment. Though these crystals are not as clear, so let's just move around in some more. I'm just moving around to see any other inclusions. Okay, now I'm zooming in on the top corner right here, and again you'll see this cloudy fingerprint inclusions. It is again not as defined, so we can see it is reabsorbed and cloudy. So all these are evidence that this stone has been heated. Okay, so the final microscope video you're seeing right here is the 5.12 carat heated stone. First thing you notice immediately right in the middle is this angular, cloudy ink spot lines. Just moving around here, trying to find. Yeah, so you see these cloudy ink spot lines. I'm actually going to show you an image of it, which is more clear, so you can see. So this actually proves that the stone has been heated because you can see the ink spots and how the rutile have been absorbed and it's been spread out. So again, this stone clearly shows evidence that it has been heated. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful. I mean, I actually showed you guys how a 4 to 5 carat royal blue sapphire costs and how they look under the microscope, compared even heated versus unheated. And you can see there's always pros and cons at every gemstone, but these were actually quite good comparison because they're quite equal in color, in clarity, in carat weight and size. But you could see just having treatment, one being heated and unheated, how the price shoots up quite quickly. Anyways, I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. It really helps with the algorithm, and we'll be continuing to make more of these educational videos. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks again for watching.